This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, this is Venkat here. I am having around around 10 years experience in IT. Okay, so I'm going to teach in the Talend ETL tool. Okay, so we are going to cover the Talend ETL tool and course duration 45 days. It means 35 working days. This is my WhatsApp number. Okay, anytime you can reach out me. So we'll teach in this class like interactive online classes, recording training videos will provide each class recordings, and real-time scenarios will explain it, and training materials, whichever each day class that material will provide it, along with the project explanation, resume preparation, and mock interview sessions, doubt and clarifications, and interview questions and answers. We are going to explain it. So this batch class timings morning 7:45 a.m. to 9 a.m. So the regular classes will start from tomorrow. Today is the demo class. From tomorrow onwards, regular classes. Okay. So this is the ETL tool. Why we need to learn this Talend ETL tool? Is there any reason? There is a number of programming languages are there in the market. Why we need to learn this one only? Anyone having idea, team? Anyone having idea?
Because
Yes,
this is user friendly and graphical user interface, and
Okay.
less price also, and open source tool, so that's the reason.
Okay. Very good points. Apart from guys, see if you are
because
learning some.
it is used widely. Most of the companies use this tool.
Very good. Very good point. Okay. Very good. Apart
And
from
this is
guys.
just a drag and drop, and easily we can work, come out with the solutions.
Oh, very good points. Okay. So simply you can drag and drop, and we can easily implement the customer requirement. You can easily achieve it. Very good. Okay. Yes. So this the Talend is the ETL tool. So in the Talend, there is a number of ETL tools are there. A number of reporting tools are there in the market. ETL tools and reporting tools. So ETL tools, there is a number of Talend, Informatica, Data Stage, SAP BODS. These are all the old guys. Okay. These are the reporting Cognos, Power BI. Okay. So these are all the old ETL tools. This is the Talend is the new ETL tool. Okay. Even though they have released it in 2006, but in the market from the past for 5 years, it is very good. Okay. So now it's going very good. Market is demand is more. Okay. Less people are there in the market, but demand is more because of, so they are using widely. Most of the companies they are using the Talend ETL tool because of it is a open source, cost effective. Cost is very less compared with other ETL tools. So that's why. So they are converting from Informatica to Talend, Data Stage to Talend, SAP BODS to Talend, SSIS to Talend. They are converting other ETLs to Talend because of they are saving the lot of amount. So that's why Talend is more powerful in the market. It's a user-friendly environment. User-friendly, we can develop it. Simply drag and drop it, as somebody said. Okay. So it's easy to learn it because of just we need to think it and think the solution and provide it. Okay. So no need to write the coding and all. Okay. So this is the use of Talend. If you learn Talend, so there is a lot of openings in the market. Lot of openings. All MNCs, guys. Okay. Okay. Even the CMML 3-5 companies also having a lot of openings in the market. India as well as US, Singapore, Malaysia. Okay. Switzerland, lot of openings are there, each company, each country. Okay, so you will get job easily if you learn this technology. I'm sure that 100% my institute will, if you learn from my institute, 100% you will get the job. 100% will make you to get the job. That much level we are going to teach it. So because of we are going to teach real-time scenarios. Okay, so any questions, team? You can ask me now. Any questions so far? Why we need to learn? Compare with other technologies, you Talend, you will get the more packages, little bit more package. Okay, so you'll get more package. I'm sure that compare with other technologies, Talend. Okay, mainly we are working for a good job, right? So good salary. So obviously you will get, if you learn Talend, you will get it.
Is there any
So
certification track for this?
yeah, it is there. Certification also. My students already cleared the certification. You will also crack it. That is not that much difficult. It is very easy. They're asking basics only. There is a two types, basics and advanced. So we have some material we'll provide you. From there only you'll get the questions.
Okay.
Okay, it's
Sir,
easy to
if we
crack
have
it.
a experience, then too we can we should have a the certificate, sir.
Pardon?
If means if we tell that we have a experience on the ETL open source tool, then too we should have a this certificate of this
Yes,
talent.
yes. If you have talent certification, okay, if you're going for on-site, like different countries, so so they will easily take it because of they mainly, if you go for US, if you have certified this talent technology means, so they will not ask that much questions, but they will easily take it by considering this certification. Some people they will take it into the job profile.
How about in India, sir?
India also not, they're not asking. Some companies, some one or two companies. There is a one kind like Citibank is there, so they will ask it certification. Other than that, very less companies they're asking certification. If you're certified, it's very good. If it's not certified,
How
it's
much?
okay.
Okay.
So
How
that is
much it will
around
cost, sir? Certification.
9,000 rupees for that exam. Around 9,000. So I think $125. Okay, you will crack it. Okay, we'll discuss this and all in offlines. Okay.
Okay,
Any
sir.
other questions? We will help you how to crack this certification. Okay. If you regularly follow my classes, also will clear the exam. Okay. Let me take some example. Let me explain it. Okay. So assume that. So let me go for my for batch folder. So 14th batch. So let me create one source folder. Let me, okay. So I'm creating one source folder. Okay. So this is, so let me create one target folder. Okay. So assume that I have one file in my source folder. Let me copy the file from the different batches. Let me copy one dummy file. Okay. So let me copy this srcmp file. Let me paste into our batch folder, 14th March in the source folder. So let me open what is the content is there in this file. I want to read this file. Okay. So I want to read this file and I want to load into another file. So when I load the data, I don't want to load all the data. I want to load only salary, who is getting the salary more than 5,000. Salary more than 5,000. That records only I want to load into the target. Okay. So when I load this record, when I consider this is my condition, my salary is there 2,000. Okay. So this is the I'm getting the 2,000, but my condition is 5,000. Whether this record it will load into the target or not, Tim? Whether this record it will load into the target because of I am applying the some
No,
condition.
sir.
because of
No.
my salary is not meeting the condition true, that's why it will not load it. So what about this 3,000?
No.
So it will not load this record. What about 5,000? I have given 5 salary greater than 5,000. I didn't
No.
give an equal. Yes, it
No.
will not load this record because of I didn't give in the equality condition, so that's why it will not load. So what about the remaining records? So what about this last record? Last record it will not load it. Let me remove this records only. It will load into the target, guys. Okay. So what is my requirement? I want to read this text file. Okay, I want to read this text file. I want load into another text file. Okay, but I want to filter this condition. Okay, so I want to read this text file means kindly keep on mute, guys. Kindly keep on mute, Narayana. So kindly others, guys, keep on mute. Why? Small request, guys. Okay, we'll if you're not muting, we will not allow the class, guys. Okay, so what is my condition? I want to read this file. I want load into another text file. While loading, I want to load only salary greater than 5,000. I want to read the text file in the Talend. There is one component tFile input delimited. By using the tFile input delimited, I can read the text file and the CSV files. Okay, so I want to load another text file means we have to use some component in the tFile output delimited. By using the tFile output delimiter, I can generate the text files and CSV files. So between, I want to apply some condition. Salary greater than 5,000 means we have to use some component in the Talend. The component is tFilterRow component. By using the tFilterRow, I can filter the data. I can write some conditions. Okay. So how to do in the Talend, we'll see, guys. Okay. So this is the how many records are there in this file?
10.
10 records or 9 records. See, first record is not a data. It is a column
9.
names. Header record.
9.
So employee number, employee name, job, salary, deputy number. Okay, it's having 9 record. First record is a header record. Okay. So from one column to another column, from employee number to employee name to job to salary to deputy number. So something is separated. The separator we can call as a delimiter. What is the delimiter in this file, team?
Comma.
Very good. Very good. So the item separator, field separator is called as a comma. Okay. So first what we have to do, first we need to import the metadata. We need to import the metadata. Okay. So how to import the metadata means, let me go for Talend. Please observe, guys. So let me go for job designs. So there is a metadata below. There is a file delimiter. Right click the file delimiter. By using the file delimiter, I can import the text files and CSV files. Create a file delimiter. Provide the file name src demo 35 src demo 35. Click on next. Browse the file. Where this file is there? It is there in the Nandini Software Solutions Private Limited batch 745 14th March 2022 source folder, right? So let me browse this path. Nandini Softwares. So 14th March, right? So let me browse that folder. In the source folder, let me select the text files. Select the srcmp. Click on next. So there is a field separator. What is the field separator? Comma. Okay. So I have header record. So there is a header is disabled. I want enable means we need to select this checkbox. This is the head set heading row as a column names. After selecting the field separator, after selecting the header, refresh the preview. Click on next. Click on next. So change the data types and length. Suppose I want to change the employee number length 25. Let me change Employee name 255. Job I want to give 200. Salary I want to give 10. DPT number 5. Change the data types length as per the customer requirement. Click on finish. So I have imported the table definition. Okay, now I want to create a job. Go for job designs, create a job. Talent demo 35. Talent demo 35. The designer workspace is opening. So I want to read the text file as we discussed earlier. We have to use the tFile input delimiter. Okay, so how to use it? So let me go for metadata section, whichever I have imported. So there is a demo 25, 35, right? Whatever that one. So let me drag this into my designer workspace. I want to read the text file. We have to use the tFile input delimiter. Let me select this one. Okay, this is the one method. So or else there is a tFile input delimiter. So in the palette section, in the file there is input, tFile input delimiter, drag it. So now I want to use the output component, tFile output delimiter. I want to generate the text file, means we have to use the tFile output delimiter. Let me drag it. So between I want to apply some condition, some transformation. Okay, so I want to apply some condition, means we have to use the tFilterRow to take it. So we can go for processing. So tFilterRow, drag it. This is one method, easiest method. Let me tell easiest method. Keep the cursor here. Type the tFilterRow. It will display the component. Select it. This is the easiest way. So now I want to process this source data to target, right? I need to give the mapping links. Row and main. So row and filter. So double click the source. Double click the tFilterRow. So what is my condition, team? I want to apply condition salary greater than
5,000.
5,000. So I have defined my condition. So let me go for the output file, tFile output delimiter. So in the target folder, I want to generate one text file. Okay, so how to generate it, we'll see now. So let me browse the target path. Documents, Nandini Software Solutions. So target folder, tgt demo 35.txt. So I want field separator, comma. Let me select the field separator, comma. My source is coming the column names, guys. Employee number, same column names I want in the my target also. There is one option, include header. Include header. Okay, so now I have developed the job. Let me save the job file and save the job. So I want to execute it, whether my job is working or not. I want to verify it. So there is a run tab, run button. Click the run button. So my source is coming 9 records. My target, how many records are loaded, team? 4 records. Let me open the target file. So salary greater than 5,000. Suppose I want 5,000 also here. Suppose I want salary 5,000 also, including 5,000. So how to change my condition, team? Go for tFilterRow. Very good, greater than or equal to. So now let me run the job. The job will fail. Why it is fail? So let me copy the error.
You need to change the file name target.
Yeah, I want the same file name, but whatever the data is there, this data I want to delete it. I want to roll it. Drop this file, delete this file, and reload the data. Okay, how to do that one? So we'll see now. See, my file is already exists, so that's why it is failing. My file is already exists, it is failing. I don't want fail the job means. So let me go for tFile output delimiter. Go for advanced setting. There is one option. throw an error if the file is already exist. If file is already there, I don't want to fail the job means we will uncheck this option. So now let me run the job. I want in the same file name. If you want different file name, we can give it. So now I am getting the 5 records. Okay, let me open my target file. See, including 5000 I am getting. Okay, so this is a way to read the text file and load into another file by writing the some condition. What is my condition? Salary greater than or equal to 5000. Okay, so I want to read the text file means we have to use the tFile input delimiter. Then we have to define the properties. So I want to load into another output file. We have to use the tFile output delimiter. We have to define the properties. Between we have to write the some condition. So there is a plus symbol, add the salary column, define the condition, load it, run the job, and you will get the proper output. Okay, any questions team so far? Now I will go for some more scenarios. Is it clear so
So
far?
is
Any
it
doubts?
possible to add
Yes, sir.
multiple
It's
conditions?
clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, we'll write it. That is the next scenario. This is the single condition. So what is the use of tFilterRow means? I want to filter the data. I want to write some conditions means we'll use the tFilterRow. tFilterRow, it will left side is coming link called as input link, right side is going called as a output link. So see, my source having 9 records. 5 records are valid records. It's loaded into the target. The remaining how many records are there? Bad records, guys. My condition is not met. How many records are there?
4. 4.
4. I want to capture into another file. Okay. So the rejected data I want to capture into another file. So I want to generate the text file. Which component I have to use, Steve? Can somebody tell me? Which component have you used earlier?
Comma.
So to take this component, what is the component? tFile output
tFile
delimiter.
output the daily.
Perfect. So keep the cursor here, right click this one, row and reject. So previously it is coming main, now it is coming reject. tFilterRow, it will support only one in main output, one reject link. So let me browse the target path, rejected path. So March folder, so in the target, so rejected data demo 30.txt. So let me give the field separator comma. Keep mute guys, keep Narayan, keep on mute sometimes. So let me run the job. So let me uncheck now itself because of sometimes we will face right again next run. So let me run the job. See 4 records are captured. Let me open the rejected data. So this is the way to rejected data capture it. Okay. So any questions? So now let me apply some more conditions. I want to load salary greater than 5000 and whose DEPT number equal to 10. How many records will load him now? Tell me. So this is a salary greater than or equal to 5000
2.
and DEPT number equal to 10. How many records? 2 records.
2 records.
Perfect. Why 2 records means? So what is the use of AND condition means? Okay. Both conditions are true. Load the data into the target. Both conditions are this condition and this condition. Whatever you are specifying the conditions, all the conditions are true, then only load the data into the target. That is called as an AND condition. Okay. So now 2 records will get. How to write that AND condition? Let me go for my job designs. Let me save as the job file, save as demo 36. Click on finish. So let me go for tFilterRow. There is a plus symbol, add the plus symbol. There is a DEPT number equal to 10. So let me run the job. See, now I'm getting only 2 records perfectly. Okay, so this is the rejected data. Okay, suppose I have given R condition. So let me run it. How many records are getting? I'm giving R condition. So I'm getting 6 records. See, I have defined, okay, I have defined 10 salary greater than 5,000. But why I'm getting this salary below 2,000? What is the use of R condition? Anyone having idea, team?
Because the department number is 10.
Okay, very good.
Any condition is satisfied, then it will result. Any two, if we give R.
Very good.
If
Very good. Very good. If any one condition is true, somebody is saying something, go ahead. Yes.
Sir, if any condition is true if we give R, any condition in the statement is true, the
Okay.
result will come according to that condition. That's
Very good.
why
Yes.
below 5,000.
So whether this condition or this condition, any one condition is true, either any one condition is true, load the data into the target. So that is called as a, it will load into the target. Okay. So that's why I'm getting the data into more records. This is the way to write the R condition. Uncondition R condition, is it clear, team? Uncondition R condition is clear, team?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me go for some more scenarios. Suppose, guys, I want to load only salary 5,000. I don't want other records. I want to load only salary 5,000 records. So this is called as a equal operator. So I will get only salary 5,000 records. So one record I have. Now I want to whose salary not 5,000, not equal to 5,000. That records I want to load it. We have to use not equal to. Not equal to. Say I'm getting 8 records perfectly. My condition is working. Suppose I want to load whose, I want to read this file, whose ename equal to Venkat. How many records are there, team? Whose ename equal to Venkat? How many records are there?
3.
3 records. So how to define that condition? Let me go for tFilterRow. So let me add the plus symbol, ename equal to Venkat, right? See, if this is the string data type, we need to give in the quotes, guys. Kindly remember it. Okay. So if it is other than the integer, we have to give that value in the quotes. Okay. So previously I didn't give in quotes. Now I have given it. Why? Because of other than the integer fields, we have to give in the quotes. So let me open my output. Okay. So Venkat records are getting. Okay. So now, so these are the scenarios today, as per today. So what are the I'm going to cover it. Let me show you the concept. Okay. So let me go for my concept.
sir, can we
So
give symbol also in the value field?
symbols, right? What are the symbol you want it? What are the data is there in the data? It's having symbol means we can
Yes.
provide it.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
If it's a string data type.
How about the like operator?
That
Is it possible to have like operator?
Yes. For that case, there is a separate component.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So there is a tmap component is there. By using the tmap, we can do it like operator. Okay. So for that case, we have to use the different component tmap. There is a lot of functions are there. So by using the tmap, we can do it. We'll explain in the further classes. It is there in the tmap. Okay. Lot of functions we have to do it. Okay. So now let me show you what I'm going to cover it. Okay. So let me course content, because some people asking, right? So course content. Let me open this course content. So this is the course content where I'm going to cover it. So I will give the Talend softwares. You no need to go anywhere. I will provide you the Talend softwares. So installation also I will take it. I will explain it. Data warehousing concept, Oracle SQL, and along with the Talend. So all the Talend components will cover it along with real-time project explanation. So let me go further down. So along with the real-time scenarios, interview questions and answers, project explanation, mock interviews, resume preparation also will explain it. Okay, we'll conduct mock interviews, guys. So this is the course content we're going to cover it. Okay, so this course class, that's 35 working days. 35 working days. Daily class timings, regular class timings, morning 7:45 a.m. to 9 a.m. IST, guys, Indian timing. Okay, so we have classes from Monday to Friday. Sometimes we'll connect on Saturdays, sometimes, not all the weeks. Sometimes we'll connect on Saturdays for special classes. Okay, no class on Sunday. So if you're interested, 9538160185. This is my WhatsApp number. You can enroll it. You can pay 2 installments, guys. You can pay 2 installments. Okay. So this is the okay. Any doubts, team? I'm stopping recording. Then we will take the questions from your side. You can pay 2 installments, guys. Okay. So course fees is same for everybody. Whatever I'm telling in the same for everybody, same. Okay. So let me stop recording. Any questions, you can take it.